That is 130. That is how big. What's $50? Ooh, that is $90. The bat $60. $30 for a set of 4. Oh, $35. And the wreath, $40. Oh, okay. Try me. Only the lights. Only the eyes. How much? Let me see this one. How much? They're like, I can't see. Oh, $30. Oh, I like the pumpkin. They're $45. Thanksgiving decorative. $45. Wonderful. $35. $40. They're $100 and $100. The cherry. No, I want fall now. It's like $18 for one piece. That's so pretty. Oh my god, you're here. Stay for a bite. They're $13. Let me see on that side. That is $34. Is $40. It's free. Tall square planter, $33. Oh. They're $25 for mini backpack. Oh, I like it with a mini. Comes with a one. And it's $25. That is so cute.
But you can probably get cheaper. Something cheaper on Amazon.
Really? Look at that one. So they have so many clearance. Sure, $10. Oh, how about this? That's cute. $10. That is off the shoulder, $17. High-rise boots. AJ, that is so cute. It's for $15. Stitch and Howdy peanuts. They're $15. This is very soft. How much is it? 10, 15? $. Character pillow. You have the Lego, the Spider-Man. Mario, 15. Hello Kitty, the hoodie one.